Hi, I am Pawan from RaagviTech. In this video, I'm going to explain field level security in Salesforce. Let us understand the following points before I explain the field level security settings in the org. First point, a user can be restricted to access a field even if the user has access to object. Every user is assigned a minimum of one profile through which that user gets access to certain objects. Second point, you can restrict visibility of a field to a particular user and give access to the same field to another user who has same profile. Third point, each user has two types of access to a field. One, read only, two, edit. A user who has read only access, that user can read the field but cannot edit the field. If a user has no read or edit access, that field is not visible to the user. Fourth point, field level security is controlled by profiles and permission settings. Now let us see field level security settings in action. Let me show you my org. This is my org. Let's go to setup, check out users. Okay, here are my users. Let us take profile custom sales profile. Let's log in with this user. Okay, now sales app. Let us go to contacts. Let us view the contacts. Now let's open any one contact. Let's go to details. Okay, now these are the fields of this contact. Now if you see, almost every field in the contact have a for Ada Belava, all the fields in the contact object have edit access. Now let us uh, cancel edit access to account name to other Belava. Now how to do it? Let's log out of this profile and, let's see how it is done. Navigate to setup, navigate to profiles, now which profile we are looking at? We are looking at custom sales profile. Now let's click on the profile, go to field level security settings. Here, since contact is a standard object, we have to check for contact here. Where is the contact? Control F, contact. Yeah, contact is here. Is this contact and page layouts? Let's go down. Yes. Yeah, standard field level security. Let us click here. Now what are we going to do here is that account name. Let's click on edit. Account name, the that profile has read access and edit access. Now let us remove the edit access. Save. And let's go to users and log in with this guy. Let us open contact and this one details. Now observe here, the account name is not editable for this user who is a sales user, custom sales profile. Now let us make this account name not visible for the Ada Balava. Now let's log out, setup, go to users, click on profiles, click on custom sales profile, go to field level security, contact, click on edit. Now here, if you remember correctly, I said if both are checked, the profile users will have edit and read access. And if no checkbox is checked, that profile users cannot see the field. That is, the field is not visible to that user. Now I'm saving it. Let's go to users. Let's log in with the profile. Navigate to contacts. Click on any one contact. Go to details. Now if you see the field previously account's name is visible, but now it is not visible at all. Did you see? So in this way, by using profiles, we can give access to or restrict access to any field of any object. Now let's log out with this one. So what we have done now is, for custom sales profile users, we have restricted the visibility of account name on contact object. That means any user who have profile, custom sales profile, uh, cannot see account name on contact object. But by using permission sets, we can give access to any user, including custom sales profile, visibility to account name on contact object. Now let's give access to account name on contact object to Pawan, who is a custom sales profile user. How to do it? Click on permission sets, click on new. Let's give it a name like account name contact. API name automatically comes. Let's give description. Use access to account name on contact object. License, since we want to give access to custom sales profile user, that user has Salesforce license. You have to give that one. Okay, save. Now let's go to object settings, contacts, contacts, edit, and give access to account name. will give both access. Save. Now permission set is created. Now we have to assign this permission set to users. Click on manage assignments, click on add assignments, check the box next to the user to whom you want to give access. Assign. See, permission set account name contact has been assigned to one user. Done. Now let's go to users and log in with Pawan, who is a custom sales profile user. Let us navigate to contacts, open any one user, sorry, any one contact, go to details. See, now account name is visible and editable also. So this is how we restrict the accessibility and editability of a field using field level security settings in Salesforce. Thank you.